orbital correlation diagram orbital correlation diagram for disrotation for disrotation in which mirror symmetry is maintained. In bracket you can write mirror symmetry maintained. Mirror symmetry maintained for the disrotatory motion or disrotatory interconversion. Now just here we will write here these two molecules, starting molecule that is 1,3,5 hexatriene and on this side here we can write 1,3-cyclohexadiene. So we have written these two molecules. Now we will write orbitals, molecular orbitals of these both two molecules. For 1,3,5 hexatriene, we have seen that there are 6 molecular orbitals, that is from psi1 to psi6. 6 molecular orbitals here we will draw. हायस आवाज येतोय सर्वांना ना? हॅलो, हाँ येतोय ना? ठीक आहे. psi1 you can write the orbital psi1, psi2, psi3, psi4, psi5, psi6. So these are the molecular orbitals of hexatriene, that is 1,3,5 hexatriene, 1,3,5 hexatriene. And you know, out of these 6 orbitals, these 3 orbitals psi1, psi2 and psi3, these are bonding molecular orbitals, and psi4, psi5, psi6, these are the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. That is, you can write ABMOs, ABMOs, and here BMOs, bonding molecular orbitals. Now here we will draw the molecular orbitals, that is 6 molecular orbitals of this 1,3-cyclohexadiene. Last time we have seen all these orbitals, that is first sigma, then psi1, psi2, psi3, then psi4, and last that is the sigma star. So out of these, again sigma, psi1, psi2, these are the bonding molecular orbitals, and psi3, psi4 and sigma star, these are the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. These are the anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Now here we will see right here symmetry of these orbitals. First symmetry with respect to mirror plane for 135 hexatriene and symmetry with respect to mirror for 13 cyclohexadiene. Now psi1, you know, psi1 orbital, it is yes, psi1 is anybody?
Symmetric with
Correct.
respect to mirror plane.
Okay, yes, symmetric. Psi2 is yes, it is anti-symmetric.
Antisymmetric
Psi3 again
symmetric with respect to mirror plane.
symmetric. Psi4 it is
Antisymmetric.
okay, anti-symmetric. Psi5 symmetric
Symmetric.
and psi6 it is
Antisymmetric.
anti-symmetric. Okay, very good. Then sigma orbital हेच करा तुम्ही जरा जास्त आवाज येतोय तुमचे मूट करा मूट ओके नाउ सिग्मा ऑर्बिटल इट इज अगेन सिमेट्रिक psi1 it is symmetric psi2 it is anti-symmetric then psi3 is it is again psi4 it is anti-symmetric and sigma star it is again anti-symmetric orbitals. And here you know last time we have seen that is for construction of orbital correlation diagram one has to simply join the orbitals by simple lines keeping in mind that there should be minimum energy difference and symmetry should be maintained and therefore here just we can join these orbitals that is psi1 it can be joined with sigma psi1 is joined with sigma symmetric psi2 it is connected with this psi2 orbital because these are anti-symmetric the psi3 it is joined with psi1 orbital because both are symmetric orbitals then psi4 it is connected with psi4 orbital psi5 it is connected with psi3 orbital and psi6 it is connected with sigma star orbital because here both are anti-symmetric with respect to mirror plane. So in this way here first you have to draw this correlation diagram. First we should draw this correlation diagram. Now we will study that is which process it is allowed, whether ring, whether thermal process or whether photochemical process it is allowed in this. So first below that here you can mention that is first a part here you can see that is ring closure ring closure ring closure ring closure in that number one that is number one thermal process number one thermal process. So in this case now 135 hexatriene it is converted into 13 cyclohexadiene. Right. Now first we have to write the electronic configuration for thermal process here. Electronic configuration of this 135 hexatriene will be, what will be that? Can anybody tell? कोणी एकानं कोणीतरी अनमुट करून सांगितलं तरी चालेल कॉन्फिगरेशन. हा कुंभार अक्षदा कुंभार आहे का? हा गायकवाड 135 hexatriene. Its configuration, electronic configuration in the ground state, what is that? It will be psi 1 2, psi 2 2, and psi 3 2. This will be the electronic configuration. Then what will be configuration of 1,3-cyclohexadiene? So that will be the psi 1 कुठला अटॅच झालेला आहे? It is attached to the sigma orbital. Therefore sigma 2. त्याच्यानंतर psi 2 2 आणि psi 1 2, and here both these are the ground states. Ground state. This is also a ground state of the product, and therefore here you know ground state orbitals are correlated with ground state orbitals, and therefore in ring closure thermal process, this is allowed process. Thermal process is allowed process. Thermal process is the allowed process in case of ring closure in the thermal process. Now we will see second process, that is the photochemical process. Number 2, you can note down there also, photochemical process. Photochemical process, that is H nu. Photochemical process, you can term it as a H nu, photochemical process. Now in this case, again same molecule here you can write, that is 135 hexatriene. It is converted into 1,3 cyclohexadiene. 1,3 cyclohexadiene. So you know now configuration. What will be the configuration? Configuration of 135 hexatriene in the photochemical process. What will be that? It will be, can anybody tell now?
psi 1 2.
एक मिनिट, slowly सांगा एक मिनिट. psi 1 2, okay. Psi
2 2.
psi 2 2, correct.
2
psi 3
आणि psi 3 1 psi 4 1.
Correct. Psi 3 1 and psi 4 1. Very good. Because here you know, as it is a photochemical process, one electron it is excited to the higher energy orbital, that is from psi 3 to psi 4 orbital. Okay. Now configuration of 1,3 cyclohexadiene, it will be, what will be that? S sigma
2
sigma 2
sigma psi 1 2
psi
1 2
the psi 1 2 sigma 2 बरोबर आहे.
psi 2 1.
sigma 2, okay. psi 1 2, एक मिनिट, 1 minute. Electronic ठीक है. sigma 2 you can take, correct. Sigma 2, then psi 2 2, then psi 1 1 येईल, correct. psi 1 1 and psi 4 चा कुठे जातोय? psi 4
3 1.
psi 4 चा कुठे जातोय? डायरेक्ट psi 4 वरून कुठे जातोय इलेक्ट्रॉन? इथे या ऑर्बिटल मध्ये, यू कॅन सी इन दिस ऑर्बिटल्स, बरोबर आहे. psi 4 कशाशी कनेक्ट झालेला आहे? psi 4 इज जॉईन टू psi 4 1, करेक्ट. psi 4 1. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट एक्साइटेड स्टेट. हे काय आहे? दिस इज फर्स्ट excited state अँड दिस इज दी, त्याच्यामध्ये गॅप पडून गेले ऑर्बिटल डायरेक्ट साय 2 नंतर साय 4 मध्येच आहे. सिग्मा 2 मध्ये एक आहे, सिग्मा 2 सिग्मा, त्यानंतर साय 2 2 साय 1 आणि नंतर साय 3 गॅप टाकून डायरेक्ट साय 4 मध्ये गेलाय इलेक्ट्रॉन. म्हणजेच काय, इट इज कॉल्ड एज दी विच स्टेट, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अपर excited state, and therefore this process, it is forbidden. This process, it is forbidden process. It is a forbidden process. तर इथं तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल याच्यामध्ये, कारण इथं साय 1 साय 1 इट इज कोरिलेटेड विथ सिग्मा म्हणून घेतल्या, इथं सिग्मा घेतलेली साय 1. साय 2 कोणाशी रिलेटेड होते, इथं साय 2 रिलेटेड विथ साय 2 शीच आहे, बरोबर आहे, साय 2 शी, म्हणून इथं साय 2 2. त्यानंतर साय 3 कोरिलेटेड विथ साय 1, देअरफॉर साय 1 1 अँड साय 4 1. ठीक आहे. सो दिस इज अपर एक्साइटेड, देअरफॉर इट इज ए फॉरबिडन प्रोसेस. सो दिस इज अबाउट द रिंग क्लोजर. देन नेक्स्ट that is ring opening. Now, right now we will see the ring opening process. Right, we will see ring. Here you can take B point. Right, B point. You can write below that B point. B, ring opening. Correct, ring opening process. Ring opening process. ह्याच्यामध्ये काय होईल रिंग ओपनिंग? इन केस ऑफ रिंग ओपनिंग पहिल्यांदा काय घ्यावं लागेल आपल्याला 1 3. एक मिनिट, I will erase all this. रिंग ओपनिंग प्रोसेस. त्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट दॅट इज दी थर्मल प्रोसेस. करेक्ट, त्याच्यामध्ये थर्मल प्रोसेस. यू कॅन नोट डाऊन थर्मल प्रोसेस. ठीक आहे. रिंग ओपनिंग, थर्मल प्रोसेस. So first you have to take starting material in that for ring opening. It will be 1,3-cyclohexadiene. It is converted into 1,3,5-hexatriene. 1,3,5-hexatriene. Okay. Now here you have to find out the configuration. Now what will be configuration of this 1,3-cyclohexadiene? You know 6 electrons are there. 6 electron system is that. So what will be that configuration? It will be just to fill these 6 electrons in these lowest energy orbital. So that will be S sigma 2 psi 1 2 and psi 2 2, sigma 1 sigma 2 psi 1 2 and psi 2 2. And now you know what will be configuration of 1,3,5 hexatriene. Again that will be S sigma 1. So these are all three are ground state orbitals. त्यामुळे इकडचे सुद्धा कुठले असतील ग्राउंड स्टेट ऑर्बिटल्स असतील. एस दिस विल बी एस
सिग्मा 1 2
सिग्मा कशी असेल इकडं? हा, साय
1 2
साय 1 2. करेक्ट, साय 1 2 साय
2
हा
साय 2 2
साय 2 2 आणि साय 3 2, psi 3 2. Okay, psi 3 2. So both these are the ground states. Correct, this is also ground state and another it is also ground state. So this is again, therefore it is allowed process. This is allowed process. Okay. Then next, second process, that is photochemical process. Now photochemical process. In photochemical process, again here we have to write just this starting compound, that is 1,3 cyclohexadiene, and it is converted into 1,3,5 hexatrine. 1,3,5 hexatrine. Now what will be the electronic configuration? Here first we have to write electronic configuration for this photochemical process. Here one electron, it is excited to the higher energy level, so that electronic configuration of this, it will be sigma 2. Yes, anybody ज्याच्याकडे डिस्टर्बन्स नसेल त्यांनी सांगू शकता, कारण काहींचं बऱ्याच ठिकाणी पाठीमागून व्हॉइस येतोय. आपण हे रेकॉर्ड, वी आर गोइंग टू रेकॉर्ड दिस. येस, सिग्मा 2, त्यानंतर हा psi 1 2, then psi 2 1 and psi 3 1, because here one electron is excited from psi 2 to psi 3 orbital. Why? Because it is a photochemical process. Photochemical process असल्यामुळे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन हा एक्साइट झालेला आहे. ठीक आहे. Okay, now what is the configuration of 1,3,5 now hexatrine? It will be S, हाँ psi 1,
Psi 1 2.
हाँ एक psi
Psi
1,
1 2.
हाँ yes, then
Psi 3 2.
psi 3 2, correct. Then
Psi 1 1.
psi 1 psi 1 1,
Psi 2. Psi 3 1.
psi
1.
sigma is correlated with sigma 1, correct. Psi 1 psi 3 2, psi 2 psi 2 1 पाहिजे, correct. Psi 2 1, correct. Psi 2
Psi 2 1.
psi 2 1 आणि नंतरची psi 3 कोणाला कनेक्ट झालेली आहे? psi 5 ला कनेक्ट झालेली आहे, बरोबर आहे. Okay, therefore there will be psi 5 1, correct. So you know this is the first excited state, correct. This is FES, first excited state, and this is the upper excited state, UES, upper excited state, and therefore this process, it is, yes, it will be either allowed or forbidden.
Forbidden process.
Correct. So this is
Forbidden.
forbidden. Okay, so this is forbidden process. So that here what will be the conclusion? Our conclusion is that in this rotatory ring opening or ring closure in this 1,3,5 hexatrine and 1,3 cyclohexadiene system, thermal process is allowed and photochemical process is forbidden. Thermal process is allowed and photochemical process is forbidden for this rotatory interconversion or for the disrotation. Correct. So here just we will stop here for this.